buddy. Where are we? Planet Earth. Being sprayed on. No doubt. Being sprayed on, no doubt. A little bit windy. A little bit hazy. Wow. Okay, here we go. We're going to go that way. And let's see if we die. You know, all that. Bear with me. Look at this perfection, baby. Oh! Okay. I believe we're ready. Let's go pop a tire, huh? One of these days I will. One of these days. Boy. Alright. Oh. It's probably an area we've been to already over here. We'll see how far we go. Whoa. Alrighty. Oh, fence. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Are we on the right side here? Oh my God. Look at that. What do you do here? Oh, man. Huh? I could have chickened out, but I did not. Okay. Yeah, we've been down this one before. We can do it. There's just a son of a bitch right here. I didn't even stand up, I don't think. So lazy. Okay. I want to see how far I can take this way. See another water tank up there. And we'll just take one of these paths to the left. Hopefully there'll be a lot of downhill. Okay. Because we're pretty high right now. Oh yeah, wind noise. Oh yeah. Big time. Oh shoot. What are we doing? We're going for this? Holy! Okay. Oh shoot. This is like a fire road here. Oh no. What do we got here? Damn! Jeez Louises! Whew. Hang on for dear life. Well, that one we ain't gonna get through. I'll tell you that right now. Are we? Holy craps. Whoa. Whoa. How about that one? Just about killed me. That killed me. All right. Oh. When does the pipe end? Oh. When do the cow pies end? All right, let's just take... let's keep going. It's a sign of life over there. Can you believe it? Ooh. Alright. It's just a little hill. Don't you worry about it. Don't worry about that. Oh man. Alrighty. How about that, huh? Pretty cool. Alright, let's stay over here. We've been here before. Let's go this way. Yeah. Take the first path to the right. Ooh, that's gravels. First path to the right. Oh. First path to the right. I don't see one. I think this is the same fire road that splits ahead. Splits. And there's no right turns nowhere. Oh boy. Help! Help me. Help, help, help. I don't see none. Well, this one I know. Okay. Yeah, just like I said. So, split in the path. Okay. Splitting the road. One goes to the cows. Been there, done that. And here's one. This is probably one we should take. Another service road. Oh, a little bit of wind. We'll take the first path we can and go left. Oh, this is a little hill. Stop it. You can handle it. Full speed ahead, baby. Oh my God. Oh no. How about that one? Jeez. First path to the left. Looks a little rocky, but that's the way it goes. Live wire overhead. Right on, man. Ooh, shoot. Okay. Yep. It's gonna be a downhill racer. You watch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, when you start hitting these rocks, you can forget about braking. I tell you that. Oh shit. Come on, dude. Look at this path. Oh my. Whoa, whoa. Oh no. Oh, you gotta look ahead. Oh, shoot. Oh, no way. Is this for real? Can I make it? Oh. All right, that's ridiculous. You gotta have an electric bike. Get up that. God darn ridiculous. Holy. Okay. All right, here goes. Let's go. Downhill racer. Pretty sure I'm way out of gear. Wrong gear. Oh, this is something else. Very challenging. Jeez. Oh my. Now we're going up again. Son of a gun. See? Too many loose rocks. But it is challenging. Wow. I think this just keeps going like that. more of those, and I'm done with this path. Look at this. Oh, let's just take it easy. I'm dying there. Hang in there, baby. Oh, you're kidding, right? Oh, forget it. Cheese and crackers. All right. Let's just take the next path that goes left. Whew. Yeah, no. I'm not superhuman, you know. It's not. First path that goes left. Help me out, man. Oh, good. Oh, it's easy. I'll tell you what. Can't get my feet right. Well, here we go again. And it's a freaking tree. Oh, jeez. How about that one? Okay. We are in low gear already. No, we're not. All right, we're not going up that. Jeez. Who can believe it? Yeah. This is the difficult trail. Not for beginners. Good thing this bike is light. Okay. Whew. Amazing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I never took that trail. That's what we call rugged. Rugged, rugged, rugged. Very rugged. Oh, help me. Whew. Oh, man. Okay, alrighty. Yeah, alright. Oh, boys. Okay, doing good. Doing good. Oh, doing good. Jeez, Louise. Oh, where am I? Okay. At least it's getting better here. Oh, jeez and crackers. Look at this. Oh, boys. Boys. What was that? Holy. Boys. It's just going this way. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Is this a trail or what's going on? Whew. Oh, no. What? Oh, we're in the sand. Uh-oh, cactus. Oh, hill. Hill. You cannot make it. No. Bastard. I curse the creator of this trail. It's too good a job. Wow. This is like the end of the road here. That's for sure. Oh. There's another one. Oh. Excuse me. And the wind noise, I know. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Alright. It's gonna be easy the rest of the way, right? Oh, no rattlesnakes. That's good. Oh, downhill racer. Love it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's that? Okay. Whoa, Jesus crackers. Why is this curving around, son of a bitches? Oh no. Oh no. Oh boys. Oh boys. I'm telling you, this is some crazy trail. Cow pie. Oh. Oop. All right. Well, think about it. If you're going downhill and you're just going straight ahead, that's a bore fest. Ooh. I see rocks. Can't steer on rocks either. Did I already say that? Oh, jeez. Gotta fight into that hard packed shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that's the rockiest son of a bitch. Oh, come on, dude. Oh no. What's that? I could only reach the front brake there. Oh Lord. Help me. Lord. Oh, jeez. That's it. You son of a bitch. All right. Oh, that was unreal. Very cool. That's enough action, baby. 3 times on previous dates, I have been almost thrown off this bike, but this bike saves me every time. It's really something. So yeah, this is the turn. I couldn't do it. Yep, it's worth it. You want to buy a mountain bike? Just learn all about them and buy one. It's unbelievable. So I'll end the video there. Therefore, that's the end of the video. Whew. And pretty soon I'm gonna have my first inner tube replacement coming up. Like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate you looking in. I hope you enjoyed.